What's up guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be upgrading a side mirror lights on my Mark 6 GTI. Let's get it. This is the stock side mirror lights, and it is LEDs, but it only flashes like this. It's alright, I like it, but I kind of want something a little bit newer, something more updated, and I went with this is the new side mirror light. As you can see, it's a sequential setup where in my opinion looks 10 times better, makes the car have like a newer look, more updated to today's standards. It looks so cool, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So this is the old one. This section right here, where it's obviously uncut, this is a section for an LED light to be placed on the bottom of this side mirror. If you have one of those, they have an option for with or without it, but I'm just letting you know ahead of time. For my car, it doesn't have it, so just be keen about that part. In fact, I'll leave a link for both with and without, just in case you're not sure yourself. Now we got a new one. So for the new one, has a darker housing, and like I said, this one is not cut open, so this is perfect for my car. And then also, if you notice, the connector here is a little bit different. It's the same setup. Basically, you can connect it easily with your car, but you just have this whole extension end piece comparing to the one that doesn't, which is just directly here to the lights. But yeah, pretty straightforward, simple. There are clips like here, screw holes, basically the exact same setup as the old. So for tools, you're just gonna need ratchet of some sort. You need a T10 Torx, and you're gonna need either your hands or this little flexible plastic prying tool that help you remove certain covers. Let's get to it. Hey there. So the first thing we're gonna do is remove this mirror. Just kind of get your hand behind it over here and just slowly pull it. It pops out like that. And try to fish it out. Once you get it out, there are two connectors in the back. This is for your heat in your mirrors. Now, sometimes they're pretty much stuck in, so you just gotta be careful. Try not to break it. Sometimes you could leave it out if you want. Like right now, I'm thinking of leaving this piece of crap because the first one was the same, where it was a pain in the ass. So I'm just gonna leave it. You could have it hanging a little bit. You don't have to worry about it. It won't really, trust me, it won't be in the way. Now the next thing is removing this cover, and how to remove it is there gonna be two little locks, tab locks right here inside, hiding on top. All you have to do is basically pry it downward just enough, and then like use your other hand to kind of pull it out. You kind of want to do both of them at the same time, just to make it a little easier for yourself. So I'll pry both of these down out of the way, and then you grab it with your other hand and pull it. There we go. Just like that. Came right off. Try to get a little better lighting for you guys so you can see it. The next thing we're going to do is remove both T10 Torx. There's going to be one right there in the bottom corner, and there's going to be one right hiding up top. This is just to remove this entire housing right here. After you got both screws, this can come off completely. Kind of have to fish it out a little bit, but when you get it out, it's just like that. Easy. Now that tab is right here. So you kind of have to squeeze just the larger one, which is this piece right here. It's closer to you. Basically, you're gonna squeeze that and then basically take down the entire assembly. Pry it down, comes out. And there it is. Now, you're gonna have the little connector end right here. This is for the lights, as I mentioned. So all you gotta do, pry it downward and pull. And it's completely off. So this is the old one. Let's go get a new one. For the new one, basically do everything in reverse. So you could start by connecting it. Let's see if we can do that real quick. There we go. And then come over here. Get that out of the way. Try to line it up as best as you can. And be nice and flush when you press it all the way back in. Put it through here. And we're just going to try to line it up the best we can. Try to line it up to those holes where the screw is supposed to go through. Now next step is to screw it in. So it's not going anywhere. Everything is nice and secure. That's good to go. Once everything is good, both screws are in, tabs are locked in, all good. And go ahead and put the cover back. You want to make sure those two tabs up top is nice, locked in and secured. I got one. I'm gonna get the other one, two. It's nice and secure. It's not going anywhere. The last but not least, the mirror. So you put that in, you're gonna hear like a pop sound when you squeeze it, when you push it in. Try to have your hand open and not in one area, kind of like closer to the middle if anything, but have it open and you're just gonna push it against it. You hear a pop sound, kind of flex it a little bit, make sure it's nice and secured in there. Don't have to put too much pressure on it. And that's it. It's nice and secure. Let's test it out. Now, after we put everything back together, nice and secure, last check, see if it works. And it works. It's perfect. Can't complain. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.